to my channel. For those of you, my name is Claire, and for today's video I bought the new iMac, so I'm gonna unbox it. So I'm super excited at the blue one, so let's unbox it. It was so heavy to go up the stairs. Don't know why it was so heavy, but let's unbox it. Hopefully I can do this all in one take. I'm doing this during nap time, so hopefully stay asleep. Cross your fingers. I'm obsessed. So pretty. I don't know where to put it now. Even the cord is blue. Okay, now let's set it up. Y'all, look at this. It's blue. I don't know if you can tell. Everything is blue. I am obsessed. So I don't know if you can tell, but this cord's also blue. So let's plug it in. Okay, so currently I am updating my Mac and transferring the information from my iCloud to this Mac, but I've had it for like 10 minutes pretty much, and I'm already obsessed. Like, everything is just perfect about this. So I got this for my like YouTube and content creation stuff, and I'm so happy with this. If you guys are debating on it, definitely do it, but let me just show you what it looks like now because I'm obsessed. This is what it looks like. Ignore the baby monitor, but we got the keyboard and mouse, and then this is what it looks like. So pretty. I'm obsessed. So I'll update you when I'm done setting it up. Got it all set up. This is what it looks like, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but that is the blue. So pretty. And then in here it also has this cord for the keyboard. The same color, blue. So I am obsessed with it. Literally the best computer I've ever had. So if you want one, go get it, because I highly recommend. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. It was the unboxing of this beauty right here. I highly recommend, if you're on the fence about it, definitely go get it. I actually got this one off the Apple refurbished site. It came in 2 days, so super easy. Yeah, so go check them out because I love mine. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.